Hello, my name's David Reamer and I'm with Anderson Hauser. I just wanted to spend a few moments with you to discuss FDT integration into asset management. At Anderson Hauser, we have a plant asset management software that utilizes the open and collaborative technologies of FDT to allow data commonly trapped in data silos to be brought together into one system, or inversely, the PAM suite could serve data to other systems. Either way, the freedom of choice is always there. Through a user-centric and intuitive interface, one can quickly look up specific detailed information based on the asset identification commonly called a tag. All the relevant information such as model number, device type, operations manuals, and spare parts lists, as well as equipment phase-out information as field devices become obsolete over their life cycle, as well as operation manuals get updated. No longer do you need to look through multiple databases for the information needed to do your job. This will reduce both workflow and man hours. The Anderson Hauser PAM Tools is integrated with a certified FDT frame application called FieldCare. You can instantly tunnel down through your automation system to a field device and access the information of and health status. With one mouse click, you will begin receiving the diagnostic information needed to quickly identify whether maintenance is required or not. Because the FDT frame is easily integrated with legacy devices with traditional DD files, they can be converted to iDTMs. It allows the users to see all their assets. This is one approach. Shell has done extensive research on effective maintenance practices and found that 63% of preventative maintenance had no benefit in improving the service life of a field device. Along with that, reliability engineers have determined that 80% of all failures are random. This confirms Shell's findings that proactively accessing a field device to check its status more often than not resulted in no action required. This is why the Anderson Hauser PAM software tools has incorporated performance monitoring module. The PAM suite continuously monitors the health and performance of the field devices, reporting to maintenance teams when a performance or health status of a field device has changed and human intervention is required. To put this into perspective, many of us have oil change routine every 5,000 kilometers. This is an example of preventative maintenance regime. The reality is that many of us could change the oil less frequently, increasing our own time efficiency and reducing the vehicle's total cost of ownership. If we are one of those fortunate people with a vehicle that has performance monitoring, checking the oil quality and the driving style, it is quite possible that we could reduce the number of oil changes per year by at least a factor of 2. Let's not rule out that the very act of doing preventative maintenance may actually result in damage, as this is the reality in life. Thus, once more, the goal should be to reduce the number of times we touch the field devices over its life cycle. When we equate this back to instrumentation, we see predictive maintenance that utilizes performance monitoring of a field device improves maintenance performance, total cost of ownership, and enables safe, available, and reliable operations, paving the way to operational excellence. The power of FDT integration using DTMs and iDTMs is the key to allowing these tools to work so well. The process and automation market strives to become more efficient and effective, and this level of visibility and detail gives users an edge in how they can manage their assets and reduce their total costs and improve availability. Thank you so much for your time, and we hope to speak to you soon.